Good evening, everyone. My name is Divyash Chandra. I study in UKG class. My school name is Kids Castle, Khagdaspura, 6 Cross Branch.
Hello everyone. A very good evening for one and all present here. My name is Shirsha Patil. One of the main gods of Hindu Sanatana Dharma is the Lord Shiva or Lord Mahadeva. He is known as the Mahayogi, the Adiyogi, the first of all the yogis.
Yes, Shirsha. Shiva is also known as the destroyer of all from universe, only to recreate it. Lord Shiva is often shown with the third eye to represent his wisdom and anger, the root of Tar. His anger is so fierce that the entire earth shakes up when he opens his third eye.
Right, Divyan. He has so many names and so many rupas. Our first performance is dedicated to Lord Shiva. He is the one who has allowed himself to associate with anger, devotion, meditation. He becomes happy with just praying.
Yes, Shirsha. Let us all join hands and pray to the destroyer of ills to remove all obstacles from our life. Thank you.
The stage is all set, and this is our first emotion, the emotion of devotion and anger represented by color red. The song is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Can I have a huge round of applause here? Har Har Mahadev.
While we are all waiting for the curtains to open, a lot of drama happening behind the scenes. Behind the screen, by the way. Shiva was running around, all around, looking for Parvati. Enappa? Okay, are you ready? With the lovely, lovely black and reddish shining costume, what are we waiting for? Music!
संहारः सकललोकाय सर्वभूताय सत्य साक्षात्करः ॐ शिवोऽहं रुद्रनामं भजेऽहं हर 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 महादेव अंड ब्रह्मांड कोटि अखिल परिपालना पूरणा जगत् कारणा सत्य देव देव प्रिया वेद वेदार्थ सारा यज्ञ यज्ञोमया निश्चला दुष्ट निग्रह सप्तलोक संरक्षणा सोम सूर्य अग्निलोचना श्वेत ऋषभ वाहना शूलपाणि भुजंग भूषणा त्रिपुर नाशनर्दना व्योमकेश महासेन जनगा पंचवक्र परशुहस्त नमः ॐ शिवोऽहं रुद्रनामं भजेऽहं भजेऽहं ॐ शिवोऽहं रुद्रनामं भजेऽहं भजेऽहम् त्रिशूलगात्रम् सत्यप्रभाव दिव्यप्रकाशमन्त्रस्वरूपमात्रम् निष्प्रपञ्चादि निष्कलङ्कोऽहं निजपूर्णबोधहम् प्रत्यगात्माहं नित्यब्रह्मोऽहं स्वप्रकाशोऽहं हं हं सच्चित्प्रमाणमो मूलप्रमेयमो अयं ब्रह्मास्मि ओम् अहं ब्रह्मास्मि ओम्